Hey everyone, this is Jamaica Good Life, Randy Pottinger. I'm here with, can you say your name for me, please?
Dahiema Williams.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years of age.
What year did you start attending Homewood Technical?
2016. I started the first day. I started camp at August. Started camp there where I started to train.
Okay. So now, why did you want to run? Why did you go into running?
Running it gives me motivation to do whatever I want. Like sometimes, like any to probably you're running to. Like when you're running, the harder you go, the more you think about it, the harder I run and get past the time.
What is it like growing up in Norway?
And can get rough, but it's okay. More times to be here. The people here push you more times, and they help you out whenever you need. Like me now, I'm a runner. I'm a runner, so I'm running. So like most time, like when I go to camps and those places, like when I come back, they will celebrate and big me up most of the times here. So they give me more push to go further in my running.
Well, we're proud of you. You're Norway's fat. What kind of race do you run?
I run the 800 meter.
800.
Yeah,
So you use the mountains of Norway to train.
yeah, yeah,
Wow, 800. You get pretty tired.
yeah. It's hard, but if you have endurance, you will succeed enough.
So now, y- um, tell us about some of the people who inspire you.
Oh, my mother, my father, my godmother, my uncle most times. He's the one like if I lose a race, he told me, so like when he told me I would go out the next time to prove him wrong that I can be better than what he thinks. Like if I come to a chance this year and when I come home, he will say, you really left now we and go we are chance to go third. We don't want us out here. So, the next time I go to chance, I come back with a gold medal. So, he said, yes, that's what I want to see from you. Yeah, he's probably the most because he's the one that pushes me the most.
What is his name?
His name is Roy James
Okay.
Johnson.
And I want the people to support you now. They did from Jamaica Good Life. They did send you a donation for. But did you receive that?
Yes, and I also want to tell him thank you for that. I
Hmm.
didn't get the chance to say it on the video, so I just want to take the time out now to tell him thank you.
We're going to have a few people assigned to you. What we do with our program is we find people that are doing great things in Jamaica and we spotlight. There's so much time you hear negative things about Jamaica and people don't focus on the positive. And you're from my hometown. And what I'm going to do is people are going to call me and then I'm going to assign people to you to make sure they support you on your venture. Now, you're going to continue running. This is your life, right? This is your life, right?
Yes,
What's the ultimate goal?
but your ultimate goal is to go further in my running and have another career to do, but mostly I put most of my time in running. I think of other careers to do, so yeah.
And what's that other career?
Well, I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to have my own business. So during the running, I know I'm going to be a great runner, sir. I'm going to make a lot of money so I can open up my own businesses so I can do whatever I want. I can be more independent.
And build something powerful in Jamaica.
Yes.
Do you want to leave Jamaica, live somewhere else?
No, I don't want to. But if it has to go that way, I would. But I would never forget Jamaica. I would always return to Jamaica. I want to become the world's greatest 800-meter runner in the future. Yes. I want everybody to know my name. Jenny Versu. That's my greatest inspiration. She's When I watch her most times, she pushes me to do more. And Christian me. In the morning, I will eat a lot of vegetables and sometimes I eat a lot of fast food, but I have to body my weight. Like my coach, when I go to school after camps, when my training is there to push to go. So he will say, Dahiema, remember that, um, remember that the eight of the people, the runners, they are slim, so you got to control your weight and don't eat too much. So I would always remember that my coach said I must not eat too much, so I would go low on my diet. Most of my life, he's the one that is with me because my mother would go out to work, so he'll be there for me every time. Sometimes he gets a little rough, but you have to understand that he's trying to push you. He wants the best for me, so like he doesn't let me stay on the road. He will send me to camp so I can stay off the road. Then running up and down all around the place and go out. So he let me stay on camp to do good and stay where I am because he said it's safer for me to stay on camp. I won't be where people are and see. I want to give a shout out to mostly my good friend Kaiser Taylor. Yeah. She's one of my greatest inspirations. She runs the 400-meter hurdles. Yeah. She pushes me. She's like my best friend. This year both of us got injured. She could not run a chance. And you know what she did? In the mornings when you're at school, we'll go down to the field and she would push me and give me motivation and tell me that although she cannot do it, I can do it, and I'm just make sure that I go out and do it. Sometimes I feel like give up. She would sit down with me and talk to me. She keeps me going daily when I'm at school.
So I'm happy to get to know you. We're gonna talk again sometime. Um, just just hang in there. Keep working hard. We're here for you, and I'm gonna get people to support you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Blessings. This is Randy again for Jamaica Good Life. I want you guys to support this this runner here from Norway, Manchester. Support her. Contact me to support her. 646-330-9150. She's from Norway, Manchester, my hometown. She just came second in a race there running the 800-meter. Our star from Norway, Manchester. Some people donated before to support her. You can also support her by going to jamaicagoodlife.com. Just send your donation there. It's faster. And if you want to mail something, contact me. But support this young lady. She's 15 years old. She's our new track star from Norway, Manchester. And that's my hometown. You guys have seen all the films with King Baba. And her dad is Pops, the guy fixing the van. And we didn't know in our family that we have a superstar. So I want you guys to support her. Yeah, that's her coming second there. That's her second. So, that's this is her dad. This is I grew up with Pops and I didn't know his daughter was a superstar. All the people who have family and you see someone trying to be great, help them, support them. I'm sorry I'm so tired today. Jamaica Good Life has been doing great things. Nadine lives in the same village. Nadine starting our chicken coop. Now we have another star here from Jamaica. And we just keep supporting and looking for the good life, the good things happening in Jamaica so that we could contact the people. And there she is with her teammates collecting her award. She's 15. So let's see if we could support this young lady and give her inspirational audios. You could email your inspirational audios to jamaicagoodlife1@gmail.com. Email your inspirational audio to jamaicagoodlife1@gmail.com. She says in order for her to continue, she wants inspiration. That's the biggest support she wants. You could email anything you want to say to her at jamaicagoodlife1@gmail.com. You could donate to her at jamaicagoodlife.com. You could contact me at 646-330-9150. And I'll make sure everything gets to her. So you can record your message on your phone, and you could even send it to the WhatsApp at 646-330-9150, and I forwarded to her the audio of that message that you leave for us. She said she needs a lot of support. So here's a chance for you to make a star, you know. And this is a family. Big up to the mother and the father for sticking together. And they just got married recently. There's a video on YouTube in my archive when I toured their home. But I just had to do this before I take a break. We want you to support Dahiema Williams from Norway, Manchester. Again, reach me at 646-330-9150, and we'll get the support to her. 336. And did I say 336? Sorry, I'm tired. So reach me again at 646-330-9150. Let's support her dream to be one of the greatest runner. She wants to also start her own business, and we're going to keep things moving. Love, light. This is Randy. Take care. Continue to support Jamaica Good Life as I go on this journey and find people that are doing good in Jamaica. So much negative things are said about Jamaica at this moment, and sometimes we don't focus on the positive. So make sure to support her. We can all do this together later. All right now this is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. So the man called Pop Shops. Pops, what you want for the investors investing in you for grow your business? What do you want?
A little more help for get the thing more organized so everything you can sell, you know. That's no dollar no pass you.
No, you want to stack it up?
Yeah man, stack up in the right way.
Fish you have a lot?
No man, right now almost can't find £1, you know.
Let me see. Give me a £1. How much a pound for the shellfish?
600.
Alright, proceed. So if you did have more,
Yeah man.
you could have sell it for cheaper too.
Yeah man, you could have a different money.
What you mean, man? So let me get to all of that. So this is your place. How many people live here?
I'm arena, but you know, my big daughter board up at Homewood School and also, you know,
So let's see if we could do that in English. He has a big daughter that's one of Jamaica's top runners. And it's expensive to get shoes and stuff for her because so she boards.
Yeah man, I board him at school. Pay around $12,000 a month for him. Send him lunch money every Monday morning. You have to send him $2,500. In between, you have to have some little more thing for give him set speed, you know. A little rough still, you know, but you have to do what you have to do for year you them.
So it's rough. He sends his daughter to. You have two daughters. We got shoes for the little one. It's a lady named Sharon. You want to thank her?
Yeah.
Say thank to
Yeah,
Sharon.
man. I say fine, thank you, man, and respect you to everybody, man.
Yeah, man.
God bless you, not too.
I love it. So you just got married.
Yeah, man.
And when is this?
Huh?
This was last year.
Yeah, first of December.
How long were you with your wife now?
17 years.
17 years.
17 years.
Congratulations, brother.
Bless you, man.
And this is the beautiful one we got the shoes for. What's her name?
Anicia.
Williams. And my daughter's name is Anais. And here we have the king and the queen. You guys look beautiful, gorgeous. So no, these are trophies and these awards. All of these are for your daughter?
Yeah, man. A big one for one. All of them.
How fast does she run?
Yeah, man. I set the gun in that town, girl, and I come second.
Saturday she went to town.
Yeah, man.
And came
It's a
second.
trophy in get Saturday. That's silver. You get Saturday.
Okay, people. So you have to support the family because they're producing
All of
Jamaicans.
them trophy.
All these trophies are hers.